town of Compostela, guys, and we have just discovered this truly amazing place. Here with Ma'am Sheena, one of the helpful staff here in Cascade, and she will tell us on what are the things that you need to do in order for you to be able to come here and visit Cascade. So ma'am, unsay kinahanglan nilang buhaton before sila makaanhi?
So need kita reservation kay tungod sa atong sitwasyon karon nga naata sa pandemic. Then once na maabot mo sa gate, pangutan-un ta mo kung naka-reserve ba. Then inyo itugan ang names. Pagkahuman kung naka-reserve, mag-write lang ta diri sa contact tracing form, kuhaan ta mo og temperature, di natay liability waiver nga need sad nato nga i-sign. Dayon na apod tayo mga rules nga need natong follow kay parahan ay rang atong pagbisita diri sa park.
Okay. And ma'am, unsaon pod nila pag-reserve sa or pag-place sa ilang reservation?
Mo adto lang ta sa Google, i-search ang Cascades Nature Park. Dayon mag-email lang ta. Naa ditoy calendar nga nakabutang ang dates nga imo ini-click nimo, makita nimo dito kung pila nay available.
All right. So, and lastly, ma'am, can you invite the viewers nato para mo visit diri sa atong wonderful park here in
Yes.
Compostela?
Yes, invite ta mo. Nice ang place. Relaxing jud kaayo siya. Promise. Kung mo follow lang ta sa among rules, hanay ra gid kayo tatanan.
All right. Thank you, Ma'am Sheena. So, mao kato ang isa sa atong helpful staff here in Cascades Nature Park. Thank you once again, ma'am.
You're welcome, sir.
Guys, let me just welcome you again here in Cascades Nature Park sa Compostela. I just want to quickly tour you around sa ilahang fasad. The moment you enter sa ilahang gate, guys, after mag-contact tracing and health protocol, this is what you will see. Amazing, no? You can hear birds chirping. You can see mga geese, napod ng mga quail. It's just absolutely fantastic. One of the things that I love about this place, aside sa yung amazing scenery, guys, and a very relaxing ambience, is that they are strictly implementing the health protocol here in the entire area. So they also have lifeguards on duty to make sure that the kids and all other swimmers are doing okay, safe, walay dautan nga mahitabo sa ilaha. Okay, so guys, we have Delphine here, one of the lifeguards on duty here in Cascade. So, Sir Delphine, mangutana lang ni Sir, unsang ato ang health protocol nga gi-follow diri sa ato ang swimming pool, sir?
Una ta mag-shower before maligo sa swimming pool. Tapos, ang swimming attire. Tapos, bawal ang music o bawal ang anang alak sa Tagalog. Okay?
Pila pod ka feet ang ato ang swimming pool,
atong
sir?
pool, mga 4 feet, sir.
4 feet. Nabatay mga number of heads sa mga tao nga gi-allow lang kung pila ka buok ngari sa ato ang swimming pool every time na yung mga maligo?
200, sir.
Okay. So, mao kana si Sir Delphine, the lifeguard on duty karong adlaw diri sa Cascade. Salamat, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
FYI about the place, before you go here, you need to visit www.cascadenaturepark.com to place your reservation, and you need a reservation fee of 50 pesos, and the rates that they have for their entrance fee, guys, are 100 for PWD, seniors, and then for minors as well, free ang 3 years old pababa, and then adults are considered 13 years old above, which is 200 pesos per head. They also have the cabana and the casita. The cabana is worth 1,000 pesos for a group of 10 person. Kana silang dagko diya ang mga cabana guys. And then ang mga gagmay are the casita, which is good for 4 person. So na siya tables and chairs. And then you also have the option katong 250, which is the tent katong na dito dapit sa may mango tree area. Basically you can actually request kung asa ninyo ipa-set up ang tent, and then there would be tables and chairs depending on how many people nga nasa inyong group. They also have free tables and chairs here in their reception area, but it's actually on a limited first come first serve basis. So the earlier nga moanhi mo, mas maka take advantage mo sa ilahang free nga tables and chairs here. It's right in front of the pool area gyapon guys. It's still convenient. So nata karon sa ilahang lagoon here in Cascades Nature Park. Look at this amazing place guys. Look. That's awesome. So ang kanang nasa atong likod guys, mura siyang island that is connected aning bridge. Let me just quickly show it to you. And pwede sad ka makakayak and makaboating here sa ilahang lagoon. So as you can see, kana sila. And that was the bridge I was talking about. So in that island, mas nindot ang imuhang 360 view sa entire place. The place is just so peaceful, quiet, serene. It's absolutely amazing. We are here in the lakeside. There is a cascade. Kauban nato ang one of the helpful staff here in the lakeside, si Sir Erwin, and he will tell us what are the exciting things that you can do here in the lakeside. So Sir Erwin, unsa man ang mga classic-classing rides nga pwede i-avail sa itong mga guests?
Naay kayak, duha ka buok nga tag 150 ang 1 hour. Nya paddleboard kitang magkuan ka magbarog 150 1 hour nya. By the canoe 3 person 200 1 hour, and pedal boat 250 1 hour.
Unsa man pod nila pag-avail ana sir para makaanhi sila and maka-use?
Mag-first sila dito sa counter, mag-pay nya, mag-need sila ID nya, i-back nila di ang receipt sa ako.
Okay. And lastly sir, unsay ilahang mga unsay ato mga safety guidelines nga gi-follow dere kay we know nga medyo delikado no ang tubig. So unsa man ang mga safety precautions nato?
Life jacket lang ta. Mao na atong buhaton para safe lang ita sa to.
All right. So mo kana si Sir Erwin dere sa Lakeside, and thank you sir.
Thank you sir.
So, nag-rent na karon sa ilang kano. Ang ilang 30 minutes is 100 pesos and 200 pesos for 1 hour. Just like what Sir Erwin has actually told us earlier, na ay life vest jud kay para safety. Although bisag mag-rock ding boat, dili gyud na siya matumba guys kay well man na siya nga balance jud ang kano. So no need to worry about it. Kailan magkabalaka guys, kay safety ra nila ang mga life vest. Gamay lang tanawon sa kuha. Okay. You know na, healthy man ta. So, just like what I've said kaganina guys, medyo init ang panahon pero ang yung breeze is light. Pretty much it adds the value sa iyang pagka serene sa area no. Kaya mas relaxing siya paminaw kay tungod sa breeze nga smooth kayo. So guys, for those who are planning on a romantic trip or a romantic treat with their loved ones, especially karong February 14 sa Valentine, you may want to consider this place. It's absolutely romantic. It's a great place to spend a great time with your family, with your loved ones, with your spouse. Just imagine guys, mag-boating mo karon together with your loved ones. Ingani kasi kasimple, kamingaw, and then dinner for 2 pagkagabi.